Today, we are diving into the worlds of networking, breaking down the difference between various types of networks. If you ever wondered about LAN, WAN, MAN, CAN, PAN, or wireless LAN, you are in the right place. I know this is mouthful, but don't worry, I will try to explain it all. Also, in the end of this video, I will give my view on the different types of the network as a network engineer with many years of experience, and this video is also part of the Cisco Certified Support Technician exam topics. So let's begin. Local area networks, or LANs, form the foundation of your day-to-day connectivity. Picture your home, office, or school. These are the typical LANs, using technologies like internet or Wi-Fi. LANs enable high-speed data transfer with a small area. They are go-to for activities like file sharing, printing, online gaming, and seamless communication between the devices with the same local network. LAN is usually spanned across a single building or multiple buildings which are close to each other. Usually we call a LAN a network that sits behind your firewall or router. Finally, let's explore the evolution of LAN with wireless local area networks, or WLAN, using Wi-Fi technology. Wireless local area networks eliminates the need for physical cables, offering wireless connectivity from homes to coffee shops to entire office spaces. Wireless LAN enhances mobility and accessibility, allowing devices to connect seamlessly without being connected by wires. Wireless LAN is just an extension of the local area network, or LAN. Now let's zoom out to wide area networks, or WAN, where the scope is global. WAN connects LAN over large distances, creating a connected web we know as the internet. The World Wide Web itself is a prime example of wide area network. While wide area networks offer great coverage, the downside is that the data transfer rates can be slightly slower due to extended distances involved in a wide area network. Wide area network is built out of multiple internet service providers, and for that reason, latency may be higher. I would say WAN is everything behind your firewall or router towards the internet. This is what we call wide area network. Metropolitan Area Networks, or MAN, M-A-N, brings us back to more localized yet larger scale. Imagine a city-wide network connecting various locations such as business district, campuses, or research centers. Metropolitan Area Networks strike a balance between the efficiency of local area network, LAN, and the vast reach of the wide area network, WAN. They are the backbone of the smart cities, ensuring a seamless communication within the metropolitan area. Now, let's focus on campus area networks, or CAN, C-A-N, where connectivity spans multiple buildings within a specific campus or enterprise environment. Campus area networks ensure that academic institutions, corporate campuses, or large facilities operate efficiently. Campus area networks offer resource sharing, collaborative projects, and efficient communication between different sections of the campus. They are usually connected with high-speed links that allow for very fast data transfer with minimum latency. Business parks, university campuses are typical institutions who build this kind of networks to deliver fast internal connectivity. Shifting gears to a more personal level, we have a personal area networks, or PAN, P-A-N. These networks cover a small area, typically the immediate surroundings of the individual. Think Bluetooth connection that seamlessly link your smartphone, laptop, smartwatch, and other personal gadgets. PAN, or personal area network, provide the convenience of wireless communication within your personal space. Think of PAN as a network that connects two or more devices to share some data. Now, my personal view as a network engineer who is in the field for many years. The terms that I use the most are LAN, WAN, and DC or data center networks. The other terms we mentioned today are not very common in everyday tech talk with colleagues and customers. When you talk to your peers or other network engineer, you will most likely differentiate between LAN, which will be your office, campus, or business unit, and WAN, wide area network. That will be your internet connection, MPLS, or SD-WAN. And on top of that, you will talk about the data center networks, where you store your data. It can be on-premise or in a cloud. And there you have it, a deep dive into LAN, WAN, MAN, CAN, PAN and wireless LAN. Each type plays a vital role in the vast landscape of networking, catering to different scale and purposes. If you found this informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.